In this video, we're going to be looking at Kainundrum projects. But first, a fun fact about New Zealand. Kainundrum was invented in New Zealand, and so was bungee jumping off a bridge. New Zealand is famous for its adrenaline adventures, especially bungee jumping, and it was first invented back in 1988. Well, enough of that. Let's get into our projects. So the first thing you want to do is come down to the bottom right and click on the hamburger menu. Yeah, I love burgers. And then click on projects. So you'll see up the first page is our challenges. And this is where you can try out for yourself and see if you can get onto the top of the leaderboard. On the left-hand side, we've got who's the fastest. Currently, you can see it's Sloth King with a time of 32 seconds. And on the right-hand side, our best coder for this challenge is Cold Chief. And he's got a score of 33, sitting in position 1. So see if you can get up to the top of the leaderboard, either in time or code, or both. Next up, we've got our public projects. Now, these projects are designed by teachers, so you can help your students learn coding and social emotional lessons and computer sciences and so much more. And they're structured in a very easy way. You can search for particular lessons or popularity or sort by date. But the nice thing with Kainundrum lessons is they're all shareable. This means that you can share a project and you just share this URL with your students. If you want to open up a lesson, we've got a Google Doc and you can make a copy of this and share it with your students. Use Google Classroom if you like. If you want to load a lesson, all you need to do is click the little download load a project icon. And here you can see we go back to the waiting room and we're now inside the lesson quick start. So if I want to start this lesson, I can click start, but let's go back to the projects again. Now, if I've got a public project and I want to kind of edit the project, I want to make it my own project. What you can do is you can just say share project, copy the link for that project, come into your My Projects, and you can fork a project. Forking is a coding technical term of copying. So if we click fork, paste the URL that we just shared into this. Now students can also do this. So if you share out that link, students can also fork a copy. So now you can see that my projects, we've got positive relationships, and I can edit this. I can change the picture. I can do all that. So I can make it my own. Now I can also load that project, and any changes to either the code, to the 3D environment, all become part of my projects. If I'm a registered user, up in the account tab here, if I register, then I can publish my project to the community. And so everyone can benefit. Well, I hope you enjoyed that about projects and Kainundrum. Until next time, see you later.